What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm cooking something weird. This is abalone, expensive.
Oh yeah.
This right here is $20.
Wow.
This is frozen. They already cleaned it pretty good. I'm gonna clean it some more. But they took out all the junk, but they still have a little black thing. Let's do the sauce first. Just the ginger and scallion sauce. I already cut a bunch of julienne already, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Just, cut it as thin as possible, and then just stack it up and cut it like this. But clean the scallion.
You like scallions, Joyce?
You don't know that I don't like scallion?
You like shallots though, right? Or
I don't like either one of those. If it's not cooked, I either have to pickle it or I have to cook it.
You hate beans, right?
I hate beans. With a passion. I don't like the mushy or that.
But it's supposed to be good for you.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah.
You know why I don't like beans? My father have a store. Then those days you have to provide lunch and dinner. You have to hire people to cook, and those people, they are not a good cook. They're worse than me. They cook this black-eyed pea with pigtail. Oh, can you imagine a small kid looking at the tail of the pork? It's not a pretty picture. Okay, you cut it as small as possible, and then put some green in it. If you want to have a good ginger scallion sauce, well, after you cut it, turn your knife and then use the back of the knife, then do this. Then the flavor will come out more.
Really?
Just slightly.
Is that the secret, Joyce?
It's not a secret. I showed you before already. You just don't pay attention.
No, I have ADD.
No, you just say, I'm coming here. Well, why I need to know?
Exactly.
Okay, let's put a little oil, a tablespoon and a half, because it's going to absorb all the oil. Do the ginger first, because ginger take a little longer to do. Become a little translucent, then you throw the scallion in it. Things doesn't need to be complicated. The ginger cut really thin, that's why it's pretty much done now. So scallion in it. See, it absorbed the oil, right? Add a little bit more to it. I thought that was a lot of sauce, but it's not. Okay, I will turn it off. I don't want to burn it, that's why I'm going to move it. I'm going to put a little liquid amino, a little dark soy. And that's the sauce. I'm going to show you how to clean abalone. All the junk out already. Then, but there's still like black things.
It's like brushing teeth.
Yeah.
Now, why is that so expensive?
Somebody have to dive a little water and get it. You know how it moves? They stuck to the ocean floor. Does the muscle work? And then it start moving like this.
Oh.
So
it's dead now?
Well, it's frozen. It's not cryogenic.
Life?
Yeah. And then just rinse it. Then I can steam it for like 5 minutes. 2 chopsticks the same length. Let boil before we put it in to make sure it boils. Because you don't want to cook this for 2 hours. It's all clean and nice. This might be a total disaster. I haven't tried. Okay, I'm going to lay it out like this. This is precious. Okay, can you set a timer for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Thank you. This calls for a small plate. Picture time.